My gel manicure, I have got to get this off, so I'm going to show you a safe way to do it at home. Hi everyone, Amy Goodman here. I don't know about you, but it has been quite some time since I have visited the nail salon in recent weeks. And my gel manicure, I really don't even want to show you, but I will show you just how badly it looks. Obviously, I have got to get this off, and some of you may be feeling the same way, so I'm going to show you a safe way to do it at home that maintains the integrity of your natural nail. So here's a quick run through of what you're going to need. 100% acetone, cuticle oil, cotton balls, squares of foil that you've got pre-cut, and also some tools like a nail file, a cuticle pusher. It's great if you have a buffing cube too, and then some moisturizers. First, we're gonna start by filing down the top coat or the glossy part of the gel manicure. Now, what this is doing is actually just kind of breaking up that top coat, and it's gonna kind of make it look a little bit matte. The goal here is not to remove absolutely everything. It's just to take off that glossy finish and maybe the first layer of the gel nail polish. I actually might use the buffing cube. So as you know, acetone is really drying for the skin, for the cuticles, and we want to take a protective step against that. So we're gonna get some cuticle oil. Any that you have is great. And just add it to the cuticles. I'm just gonna take it, rub it in with my fingers, and rub it around my finger skin so that it stays moisturized throughout this process. Just don't touch the nail. Next, we're gonna make acetone baby burritos for our fingers. You're gonna see what I mean in just a second. First, make sure you have a protective layer down in front of you. So I've got a double folded towel and also a very precious square of paper towel, which I have beneath my hands. Then you're gonna take the 100% acetone and place it into just an easy bowl. You're gonna take your cotton ball and literally pull it apart, maybe 4 or 6 times to get it to be the right size for your nail bed. So just kind of roughly the size of your nail bed. So now it's gonna have a little acetone bath. We're gonna put that tiny swath of cotton ball into the acetone. I'm just gonna put that directly on top of my nail. Voila. And we're gonna take that square of foil that we previously cut and place it underneath the finger to start. Fold it over. Oh, I can feel it. And then wrap the finger. It doesn't really matter how you wrap it as long as the end product is pretty tight. That is to keep the acetone from evaporating, right? And then when you're done, give it a final squeeze. Okay, great. 1 done. 5 to go on this hand. Though I demonstrated mine in midair, it is so much easier to wrap these little baby burritos by doing it down on a flat surface. Now, if I'm honest with you, my acetone is like 96% acetone and then a 4% of like moisturizers. If that's the case, I mean, that's what I have right now. So if that's the case, it might just take your soaking a little bit longer in order to work and in order to effectively remove the gel manicure. So I am feeling otherworldly right now with this. We're gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes. If you recently got your gel manicure and it's looking pretty solid, you probably wanna leave it on about 10 minutes. So now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna see how everything is working. I actually left mine on for about 8 minutes, and we're gonna take off the foil baby burrito and take a look and see. I'm actually gonna do this with you. How does it look? Yeah. So you can see the gel manicure is starting to lift off. Now you are gonna take your cuticle pusher and we're just gonna push it right off, very, very gently, and not hitting the natural nail. What you might hit is like the base coat, that's okay, and just gently, we're gonna push it off and get this gel manicure off. You're gonna see that it crumbles off, etc. If you find that there is a section that's a little bit stubborn, don't worry, you can just put your gel booty back on. Just make sure that the cotton is on the up part. Put it back onto your nail and let it sit for another 5 minutes or so. Now it's time for some wonderful moisturization. I got all of the gel off, so it's looking good, pretty good, but my hands are dry. Acetone is really harsh. We've put our fingers through a lot. So we're gonna do a moisturization now. So you can take something like coconut oil, which you may have already around the house, or another nourishing oil, and I'm literally just gonna dab it right here on all my nails, my fingers, and kind of give it a little coconut oil bath, a little soak. In addition to that, once I get this rubbed in, this is where it really starts to feel kind of spa-like. I'm gonna grab my cuticle oil and I'm gonna go ahead and also give my cuticles the special tender loving care that they deserve. I don't know, but all this cleaning, now that I'm spending so much quality time at home, I've been cleaning so much, and I know that it shows in my hands. A lot of washing, a lot of just getting down with the dirt, and it takes a toll, it really does. And once we get that all rubbed in, we're gonna finish it off with some hand cream. Now don't laugh at me. I'm literally down to my sample size hand creams, so I'm gonna put some hand cream on here and really make it feel luxurious. Things are looking good. Ta-da! And there you have it. It was literally that easy to do at home, to take care of the gel manicure, get back to a natural nail, and now you'll be ready for another round of polish.